Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can adjust or change the DPI for a document in Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so navigate to your document on Affinity, and there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you navigate to document in the top left, hover your mouse over setup and choose document setup here. And then guys, here next to the document settings you will see the DPI number, right? So you may switch from 300 to 150 or something like that. Clicking to OK to apply this. Option number two, again, you navigate to document, hover your mouse over setup and hover your mouse over resize, and then choose document here to the right. And here guys, what you want to do is again click into the drop down menu and choose a DPI from that drop down menu, like I don't know, 400 and so on and so forth. Click into resize, and that is going to apply the new DPI to your document. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.